Look. Good morning, students of class 10. You are welcome back to the classes now. Listen carefully and pay attention. And today we'll do the comparison between Belgium and Sri Lanka. Before comparing, let us learn about the composition, social composition of Sri Lanka. We have already learned about Belgium, how the problem was solved mutually by dividing the seats equally in the parliament. Now here, number one, there are altogether short 6 points are there. You remember, it will be very easy for you to remember. Sri Lanka is an island nation. It's a very small island and a neighbor of India. It lies next to India towards the south. So with a population of 2 crore, almost the same as Haryana. The area and the population is quite similar to Haryana. It has a diverse population. Diverse means various type of people live there. Various communities, you can say that. People following various religion, social different cultures. So it has a diverse population like any other country. The main social group, we'll talk about the majority. The main social groups are the Sinhala. Sinhalas speakers who speak Sinhalas and who are, most of them are Buddhist, and they are about 74%. They are in the majority in the country. So remember now, Sinhala are in the majority, about 74% of the population. Now next, number 3, and the remaining 18% are Tamils. The remaining 18% they were Tamils, and in the Tamils also they are subdivided. One is Sri Lankan Tamils, who are the native people of Sri Lanka. They are Tamils, and remaining another 5%. That means the Tamils were subdivided into Sri Lankan Tamils of 13%. The people, original people of Sri Lanka, they were Tamils. They were 13%, and the 5% were Indian Tamils. This 5%, they went there to work during colonial period as plantation workers, and they settled there only. They had their family, they settled there. And these were 5% Indian Tamils. Sri Lankan Tamils were settled in the north. Now, according to their country and their map, Sri Lankan Tamils were settled in the north, towards the north and towards the east. And in the central part and the southern part, it is occupied by Sinhalas. Sri Lankan Tamils were settled in the north and east of the country. Most of the Tamils are Hindus and Muslims, not Sinhalas. Sinhalas were all Buddhists. But Tamils, whether it is Sri Lankan Tamils or it is Indian Tamils, they were Hindus and Muslims, and their number is very small. So they are minority now. The Christians, there were other Christians also there. The Christians were 7%. You can see that more than Indian Tamils. Christians were 7%, who are both Tamil and Sinhala. The Christians, they are 7% Christians. They were Tamils or Sinhalas. Many Sinhalas, they left Buddhism and they changed into Christian, because that is an effect of the colonizers. That's the effect of the colonizers. They change into Christianity. In our country also many people, they are converted into Christianity. Similarly, the majority Sinhala imposed their will. Impose their will means whatever they decided, they implemented. They never considered the will of the other people or other minority people. They never considered minorities. Whatever they have decided, they implemented, or they made laws according to their wish. Whatever laws benefited the Sinhalas, they implemented or imposed. So that is the impose their will in the whole country. The majority Sinhala impose their will in the whole country. Means the whole country is ruled according to Sinhala's wishes. So later on we'll talk about what differences they made. As I have already told you, Indian Tamils, Sri Lankan Tamils, Christians, Hindus, Muslims, they were not allowed to occupy the government seats or government jobs. Even higher studies, they were not allowed. They never got the chance. Whenever a person goes for the government job, they see the certificate and if it is written there Indian Tamils, he automatically rejected. And Sinalas, whether he has got the quality, skill, talent or not, he used to get the job. So in this way, they impose their will in this country. So now let us see, there will be a lot of confusion here. Indian Tamils and Sri Lankan Tamils, they wanted to have their representative in the parliament, and Sinalas were not allowing them. So for that reason, there was a great disturbance in this country for many years. For at least 2 decades, they had a lot of problem, and thousands of people have been killed, massacred. The villages were wiped out. So you can compare this Belgium and Sri Lanka. How social groups, when there is inequality, naturally there will be disturbance and people cannot have peace. So you can see this, we'll talk something more about it in our next class, about what will or what differences they made with other social groups. We'll talk about it. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you are going through the online portal at home or going through the book. Do not waste your time. Be wise enough to use your time wisely. That's all what I can suggest you. That's all. So that's all for today. Thank you. We'll meet in the next class and continue about